Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now. With the window up and battery negative disconnected, remove visible screws in the armrest and behind the small plastic caps. Use a Phillips #2 and a 10 mm socket where needed. Once those screws are out, insert a plastic trim tool at the front edge and gently pry to release the first clip. You're doing that because clips hold hidden fasteners. Releasing one section first prevents bending the panel. Make sure to keep screws and covers organized. Once the front section is free, move along the bottom and side edges, releasing clips every 6 to 8 inches with the trim tool. Pull outward then upward to avoid breaking tabs. You'll next reach the interior handle cable, unhook its plastic retainer, and slide the cable off the handle pivot so the panel can clear the latch. Make sure to depress and disengage any electrical connector tabs for window or lock switches before pulling the panel away. Forcing them risks damaging the harness. Finish by lifting the panel up and off the window channel and swinging it away enough to access speaker or hardware if you need further work. Peel back the vapor barrier gently and keep it intact for a waterproof seal. Replace with 3M seam tape if damaged. If the panel refuses to come free, stop and check for hidden screws under the armrest, behind the door pull trim, or near the mirror. That's the common reason panels stay stuck. Reconnect connectors when reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.